Today's topic for discussion is symptoms of viral diseases of plants. There are several types of viruses which causes very serious and destructive diseases of plant, and every viral pathogen that causes a specific type of symptom. Let us see the details. The plant pathogenic viruses are ultramicroscopic structures which are simple structures that composed of fragments of genetic material. And that genetic material, it may be DNA or RNA, and that is enveloped by a protein coat. A number of economically important plants get infected by pathogenic viruses. There are about 2000 known viruses and about 977 are known plant viruses causing different types of diseases, different types of symptoms, and heavy losses of the crop is caused. And viruses causes the typical symptoms which are easily recognizable. Let us see the types of symptoms which are caused by viral pathogens in the plants. Number 1, chlorosis, ring spot, vein clearing, vein bending, necrosis, curl, mosaic, viral crinkling, viral stripe, bunchy top disease, turgo disease, turgo, leaf roll, leaf yellow stripe, big vein, epinasty, star crack, clump, rosette, tanosis or small leaf, xyloporosis and psoriasis, and exocortis or scaly butt. All these are the different types of symptoms occurred in different types of plant which are caused by viral pathogens. Let us see each of the symptom which is caused by viral pathogen in the plants. Number 1, that is chlorosis. Chlorosis, in case of mosaic disease of plant, the chlorophyll disappears due to interaction of pathogen. Initially, yellow spots are developed. Such symptoms are called as chlorosis. And the chlorosis is easily recognizable. Chlorosis occurs because of the disturbances of the chlorophyll in the cell because of interaction of the viral pathogen. Such yellow spots, yellow colored spots on the leaf, especially on the leaf, these chlorosis occurs, and chlorosis symptoms occur only on the leaf, and they are called as such type of symptoms are described as chlorosis. Next, this is the ring spot. Ring spot, the affected plant possesses chlorotic rings on the leaf, on the fruit as well as on the stem of respective host plant. Symptoms are such as ring-like symptoms are described as ring spots. Ring spot is a type of symptom which is used to describe an irregular patchwork of green and yellow areas on the infected leaf surface. In certain cases, the leaves may also become distorted. There is no distinct sharp margin occur between the affected and healthy areas of leaf, and ring spot is caused by viral pathogen. Next, vein clearing. It is a type of symptom which is caused by viral pathogen. The interveinal region of the leaf turn yellow because of infection of virus and the veins remain green. The symptoms, such type of symptoms are termed as vein clearing or vein banding. Next, vein banding is another type of symptom which is caused by virus. In this case, a border of yellow tissue occurs along the larger veins of the leaf of infected plant. Such type of symptoms are observed in viral diseases and that are described as vein banding symptoms. Next, necrosis. Necrotic spots are also caused by viral pathogen. Spots of dead tissue develops on the leaf surface which are randomly distributed. The other symptoms caused by viral pathogen in different types of plant are bunchy top, rolling, curling, crinkling. There are many types of spots are caused by the viral pathogen. And necrosis, it is a type of symptom which consists of a dead patches of dead tissue. Okay, next. Curls. This is a very typical symptom of viral disease. In this case, the viruses are obligate. Generally, all the viruses are obligate parasite. They require a living host plant for their survival. And there are many numerous plant pathogenic viruses which are host specific in nature. The plant viruses infect all part of the plant. The affected leaf shows mosaic symptoms, and the infected leaf enroll downward, and the symptoms are described as curl. And the symptoms are described as curl, and the viral pathogens interact with the host tissue, and curl symptoms are developed. The leaf curl disease is very common in tropical regions of the world. Okay, in the photograph, curl symptom of tomato is shown. Next, mosaic symptom. In this case, the leaf of infected plant shows stunting, mottling, and leaf malformation. Irregular shades of yellow or green are observed in infected leaf, and such type of symptoms are described as mosaic. Next, initiation mosaic. This is also symptoms caused by virus. Initiation mosaic of tomato is viral disease, and it is a type of mosaic in which the infected leaf shows pinhead shaped rough outgrowth, especially on the lower surface of the leaf. The symptoms are caused by initiation mosaic virus. Next, this is yellow vein mosaic. This is also a type of symptom caused by viral disease, viral pathogen in the plant. In this case, the infected plant show mottling, yellowing of leaves and pods. Even the pods becomes yellow. The infected plant show reduced growth, remain stunted, which appear bushy. The infected leaves curl downward. Infection causes the drooping of flowers, and setting of the pods is delayed. The seeds may be aborted, remain smaller and malformed. The yield may be reduced up to 80 to 100%. The infected leaf possesses dark and light green areas, and the leaf veins turn yellowish and clearly seen. The areas showing a mosaic are generally irregular in outline. The affected areas may have two shades of color, dark green and yellow green. Such type of symptoms are described as yellow vein mosaic. Next, viral crinkling. It is also a type of symptom caused by viral pathogen in the plants. The affected fruits get shriveled, which changes their shape for some extent. Crinkling of apple is commonly observed. Next, the viral stripe. It is viral stripe. It is also one type of symptom which is caused by viral pathogen. Stripes are formed on the leaf of cereals because of the viral infection. The red color stripes are caused by viral pathogen that are called viral stripe symptoms. Okay, next, this is bunchy top symptom. Bunchy top symptoms observed in banana, and in this case, a typical viral symptoms observed in banana due to infection of banana bunchy top virus. In short form, it is BBTV, which especially grow in petiole, midrib, and the veins of the banana plant. The infected leaf shows dark brown streaks on the petioles and veins, and the leaf margins show chlorosis. The topmost leaves are narrow, upright, and are closely packed to give bunchy appearance. Okay, this type of symptoms are described as bunchy top disease or bunchy top symptoms. Okay, next, the Tungro type of symptom. It is a characteristic symptoms of disease, that is Tungro disease of rice, and the symptom consists of discoloration of leaves, which are very common in some plants. Vein clearing, formation of small rusty necrotic spots are common. Tungro disease of rice is very commonly observed and reported from different parts of the world. Next, leaf roll. It is a type of symptom. The leaves of infected plants show downward rolling due to viral infection. In severe cases, most of the leaves get rotted by the time drop off at any stage of its development. The affected plant becomes delicate, and yield is affected, and the leaf roll disease of grapes is caused by leaf roll virus. Next, leek yellow stripe disease. This is also one type of symptom which is caused by viral pathogen. The infected plants remain short, turns yellow. The leaf lamina possesses irregular yellow striping at the basal region. It is a viral disease. The plant becomes weak, which is easily broken. The symptoms are termed as leak yellow stripes. The leak yellow stripe is caused by leak yellow stripe virus. Next, big vein. It is a type of symptom which is caused by viral pathogen. The characteristic feature of big vein symptoms are clearing of vein. The affected plant becomes short and bushy. Such plant does not produce heads or cauliflower. It is a viral disease, and big vein, it is a viral symptoms. Next, epinasty, it another type of viral symptom which is caused by viruses. The infected plant part shows curling and rolling or spiraled symptoms. The affected part of the plant bent downward. There is great variation in curling and rolling of plant parts in different plants. Such a type of symptoms termed as epinasty. Downward curling of leaf or petiole are more distinct features. There is variation in the epinasty according to the environmental factors. Such type of symptoms are described as epinasty symptoms. It is a viral symptom. Next, star crack. It is another type of symptom which is caused by viral pathogen. In this case, the symptom mostly occur on fruit surface. The infected fruit shows star-shaped cracks on the rind, and star cracks are also observed around the buds of the infected plant. Example, the star cracks of apple are caused due to the viral pathogen. Okay, next. Clump. It is also a type of symptom which is caused by viral pathogen. In this case, the infected plant shows small dark green leaves and plants are severely stunted. The young leaflets show mosaic mottling and chlorotic rings. Roots become dark colored and other layer peels off easily. Such type of symptoms are observed in groundnut due to viral infection, which are called clumps. Okay, next. Rosette. It is a type of symptom which is caused by viral pathogen. In this case, the affected plants remain short, which show bushy appearance as the nodes and internodes are shortened. There is reduction in the leaflet. Plant produces small and sessile flowers which are useless. Rosette type of symptom caused by viral pathogen in groundnut crop. Next, stenosis or small leaf. These are also symptoms. These are also the symptoms which are caused by viral pathogen. In this case, the characteristic features of stenosis symptoms are the infected plant show great reduction in size of leaves, size of stem, and flower becomes very small with non-functional ovary. Stenosis of cotton plant is caused due to infection of pathogenic virus. Next, another type of symptom which is caused by viral pathogen is xyloporosis. In this case, the infected plant becomes stunted with very small leaves. The pathogen causes the development of peg-like outgrowth from the inner face of the bark that fit into corresponding pit-like depressions in the stem. Gum pockets develop in the bark. Such type of symptoms are termed as xyloporosis. Okay, next. This is psoriasis type of symptoms. The characteristic, these are the symptoms which are called by viral pathogen in citrus plant, and these are the characteristic symptoms on the infected trees. The infected tree shows flecking of young leaves and scaling of bark on the branched and trunk region, and the bark curls upward and gumming takes place. The trees decline, leaves become smaller and yellow. The psoriasis symptoms are observed in citrus plant due to infection of pathogenic virus. Next, the exocortis or scaly butt. This is a type of symptom which is called by viral disease, viral pathogen, and in this case, the infected plant gets stunted. The entire root system of the trunk results in scaling of bark. The bark of the stem and twigs possesses large chlorotic blotches. The scaly butt symptoms are observed on the citrus due to infection of viroids. Okay, and next, this is distortion. It is a type of symptom. Again, it is caused by viral pathogen. In this case, the leaves get distorted, and such leaves, they do not function normally, and that affects indirectly the photosynthetic process of the plant. Next, these are the necrotic leaves. Symptom necrosis. The patches of dead tissue occurs on the stem and leaves. The patches of dead tissue is described as necrosis, and type of symptom is necrosis. Next. Thank you very much. Save trees, save earth.